Dreamweaver has multiple toolbars that you'll use when working on files, but you can make the argument that none is more important than the document toolbar. Found just below the document title bar, right here. The document toolbar allows you to access different views of your document, upload files, title your page, and run tests on the current document. Changing views is one of the most popular things that people use the document toolbar for. You can see here we're in design view, but if I click on code view, I get to see the actual XHTML code of the page. Now, if I want to view it both at the same time, I can click on the split icon, and that's showing me both the code and design view. Now, if you don't like the horizontal setting here, you can go up to the menu and choose view, and you can choose split vertically. I actually prefer the vertical view, but it's really a personal preference. Whatever you have that set on, whether it's split vertically or horizontally, Dreamweaver remembers that, and every time you click on the split view, that's the view that you get, so you can just set that once and forget about it. There's also another view icon, and this is new to CS4. It's live view. I'm going to click on this, and what happens is my page is being rendered using the WebKit rendering engine, which is used by Safari and Google's Chrome browser, to render my page directly inside the Dreamweaver environment. You'll notice things like CSS rollovers, and your JavaScript functionality will all work now inside the Dreamweaver interface. So it gives you an opportunity to preview that without actually having to go out to the browser. I'm just going to go ahead and turn live view back off again. Now, another thing that the document toolbar allows me to do is to title my file. So you'll notice here, my document currently has no title to it. So I'm just going to type in, welcome to Groundswell. And now my document has a title. Let's go ahead and save that. There are some additional icons over here to the right, and I can't see all of them right now because at my screen resolution, my interface is sort of covering some of those up. So I'm going to go over and collapse my panels to icons. It's a really nice little feature here in CS4. Now I can see all those icons. Perfect. Let's talk about what these allow us to do. We've got some that allow us to do some file management, so uploading or downloading files to your remote server. We have our preview in browser, so if I click on this, I can go ahead and launch this page in Internet Explorer or Firefox or whatever browser I might be working with. We also have some view options and visual aids that we can set. We could validate our markup. And there's this really nice little feature right here, check browser compatibility. And if I click on that, it's going to test my existing page against all the different browsers that I've set in my settings. It's going to let me know if I have any errors in my CSS, which could affect other browsers, which is a really nice thing to do as you're working. That way you can make changes to your CSS and fix these errors before you do something site-wide, which is awesome. While most people use the document toolbar frequently to switch between document views, you should remember to take advantage of features such as file uploading, checking browser compatibility, and controlling visual aids through the document toolbar as well. It presents these options in a nice central location and really speeds up accessing these options once you're used to using them.